Alright guys, for those that doesn't know or doesn't have the experience, I'm gonna show you guys I'm gonna show you guys how truck drivers look for parking at a truck stop. Okay? Like right now.
Take the first exit on the right onto Hospital Road.
Like right now, you guys see Loves. Once you see that heart, that's Love. To be honest, I don't really park at Loves, but today I decided to go park here. So as you can see, you can like visualize and see, okay, do they have parking? Like right now I can see that there's a lot of parking, but one thing that I don't see is pulling parking that I can just pull in. Okay, but we're gonna see, we might find one. We see how it goes.
Speed limit reduced ahead.
Stop. Nobody coming. And then turn. You see that? Ooh-wee. All right. So when you go to the truck stop, you gotta look for. Okay, you're gonna look for truck entry. Okay, like right here, this is for cars. So basically, okay, we're gonna turn here.
Turn at the first left.
We're gonna turn here, and over there, that's the truck entry. All right, I could have gone. Yeah. Since they say truck driver gotta be patient, I'm gonna be patient and let that red one goes. But I'm not gonna wait for the other one. But anyway, we're gonna turn.
Destination is on the right.
Okay, we're gonna turn. That was a right turn. Make sure we don't hit nobody. And then that's for auto and that's for trucks. So now we're gonna go inside and see if we can find us like a pull-in parking. You know, that way I don't have to do all that extra thing. But from what I'm looking here, I don't think they got pull-in parking. From what I'm looking, yeah, they don't have no pull-in parking. So nope, they don't. Freak. Well, since they don't have no pull-in parking, I guess I'm gonna have to do that whole trick thing. Oh, there go like two parking here. All right, so now you see right here, I'm gonna stop here, right? I stop at the third one, get 1, 2, 3, stop at the third one. So now I'm gonna start turning my wheel. Okay, start turning my wheel, and now I make sure that I'm straight. Okay, like right now I'm straight. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn all the way to the right. Like this, and then we're gonna do a get out and look. We're gonna do a get out and look. That way we know we set up good. Okay, so now we're gonna look. Like right now, the way I'm setting up right now, it's gonna be more easier for me to get this one. It's gonna be more easier for me to get this one. So we're gonna back up and try to get. Oh, you know, we got all the space here, so it's really easy to get that one. Okay. Oh my God, the rain is so bad. It's raining. It's really windy. I only got like 1 hour on my time. So now we're gonna try to go. We're gonna try to go. Then we're gonna try to turn on the right, but I can't really see that. I can't really see. Looking. So now we're gonna try to do like a pulling like this. So now we kind of can see. Okay. Now we kind of can see where we're going, okay? We're going back. Nope, I need it on that side. Okay, I don't know if you guys see, but right now I'm kind of close to that truck. Okay, I'm going. I don't know if you guys can see on that little mirror. Okay, and then now you see that, like right now I'm in the line. Okay, so now it's really easy to get it. All I gotta do is a little straight back and then turn on the left. Turn on the left. Okay, change status to off duty. Turn on the left a little bit, and then we're looking. We might do that until we get straight. Okay, like right here. And then now we're gonna turn to the right. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see on the mirror, but like right now I'm getting straight. I'm straightening up myself. Okay, and then there it is. So now I'll turn it a little bit again, a little bit more on the left, and then I turn my wheel to the right. Okay, there you go. So like right now I don't like the way I am. I'm gonna pulling a little bit. I'm gonna pulling a little bit so I can be straight. Okay. bit, and like right now. Okay, right now. Okay, so like right now, you see my trailer is straight. Okay, it's straight on the line. So now I'm gonna chase the trailer, make sure I'm good. My truck is good with the trailer. Okay, so I chase the trailer. Boom, boom. Then now I'm straight. I'm good. You see, I'm kind of like leave a little bit more space here, which is good. The next driver can have more space, but I'm good. I'm Gucci. This is how you guys do it, y'all. This is how you do it. So for those that want to be a truck driver that doesn't have the CDL yet, you know, this is how truck drivers park, man, at the truck stop. Like right now, I'm lucky because usually you don't really find parking like that. You see, there's a lot of parkings here. I got one here, and there's some of them over there. So there's a lot of parkings, but always make sure that you try to get the easiest one, man. Always make sure you try to get the easiest one. Okay, now we're gonna go. Am I too much on the driver's side? Yeah, I think I'm kind of too much on the driver's side, but shit, you figure it out. You know what? Let me pull in a little bit. That way he can be able to open his door. Okay. All right, like this. And then now we're gonna try to get more space here. Oh well, I'm good. I'm good here. You can't open this door. Yeah. And there you go, guys. Now put your neutral, and then you pull the brake. So now we're gonna take a look, but we should be good. Guys, this is how you park, and as you can see, I'm straight in my line, and there's another parking here for the next guy. So I don't really back all the way up because I want that guy to be able to open his door, but maybe I should back up a little bit more. Yeah, he should be able to open his door. Should be able to open his door. Just a little bit, because I was trying to help I just wanted to make sure that he got space to open his door, but should be good. Then we're gonna go like right here. Boom, that's it. All right, guys, this is how you park at a truck stop. Okay, so if you guys like the video, make sure y'all subscribe, comment to my channel, man. I got more stuff coming in, a lot of good content. Hey, subscribe, comment, man. Let me know what you guys think about my parking, man.